Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, fellow traders. Hope you all have a nice and a wonderful week. Um, I'm going to be telling you briefly on what I'm going to be analyzing this week. Before that, please like my video and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, the comment section is there below. You can tell me your thoughts and what you want me to talk about. So, let's get right to it. So, I'm going to analyze Aussie New Zealand dollar, what I expect the market to do this coming week. So you can see I am in the daily time frame. This is showing you what the daily time frame height is. You can see that we are in an uptrend now. The price has been making higher highs and higher lows. So it has made a higher high and now it is now coming down. So my take for this week is that price will come down to this level here. Price will come down to this level here and then rally back up. So price is in this level here. Sorry if you are hearing any noise in the background. It's just because I am not not where my laptop or computer will be. So that's why, like my cousins. So price will retest this area here and then rally up, hitting take profit 1 and take profit 2. My stop loss will be below this point here. So that's what I have for Aussie New Zealand dollar. This is an uptrend trade. So I'm expecting price to come here, come to this arrow, take an order, and then take orders and then rally up. So to take profit 1 and take profit 2, stop loss this point here. So now let's move on. I'm going to talk about gold. Gold is in an uptrend that's making higher highs and higher lows. So now price has come to retest to make a higher low. So I expect price to still come to this very point here, to touch this point to make a full lower low and collect more orders at this point here before rallying to the upside. I don't usually trade gold per se, but for those people who want me to analyze it, I have analyzed it for you. This is an uptrend, so my stop loss will be below this zone here, or slightly shift here. Then I won't put it directly here. I'll pull it down a bit and put it here. Then my stop loss will be, my take profit will be 1, 2. I won't really pick for 3, but just 1, 2. So okay. So now I'm going to be that's what I have for gold. I expect price to come down to this level and then rally to the upside, hit to take profit 1 and take profit 2. So that's what I have for it. Now we're going to move on to the GBPJPY. No, sorry, USDJPY. USDJPY, you can see the USDJPY is in an uptrend and has been an uptrend for so long, and you can see it's been an uptrend for really long. Not that long, but it has been long. So I expect price has made a new, this was a previous higher high, higher low, higher high. This high has broken this high here. So now it has come down. You can see that the price is forming a W structure here. We find the price came down to form 1, rallied back up, and then it's coming down. It didn't break this zone, rather it's just consolidating around this zone here. So you can see that it's making a W formation. So I'm expecting this particular place to, the price to complete the second leg at this point here and then rally up. So I'm only going to use TP1 for this. So my stop loss will be here. My take profits will be TP1 and TP2. Okay, TP1, TP2. Zone, that's all. What I expect for USDJPY for the week, I'm going to form the second leg at this point here. My stop loss will be here. Then when the second leg forms and close, I'll take it here. 1, 2. The only thing is that I can't use. The only reason why I might not take this trade is based on two reasons: the spread at that moment. I need to consider the spread at that moment before taking it. You can see now that in USDJPY the spread is 17, and when the market opens, sometimes spread is really relatively too high. Sometimes it might be 60, sometimes 160, sometimes 200 thereabouts. So most times I have to consider the spread so that because I want to enter the market to make money, not to end up losing a huge amount of money and not gaining anything at all because of my negligence and miscalculate taking risk that is not worth taking. So that's what I need to consider this first. At the time I might take this trade when it forms a second leg, I wish, well, no, I'm not wishing, I will check my spread. If the spread is within this 17, I will take it. But if it's higher, like is it 60 or 70, maybe 100, 150, I would not take this trade. But just analyzing it for analysis first. I'm just adding to my portfolio for the week to see how the market will go or react. So that's all I have. Then next I have on is GBPJPY. GBPJPY, you can see that I am on a buy. I'm on a buy. I'm actually like testing the strategy that I'm building up, but that's not what I want to talk about. What I'm talking about is the price is making a downtrend. It was once in an uptrend, but now it's making the downtrend, making high, low, lower high, lower low. Now price is going to come back to make a lower high at this zone here. You can still push up and make a zone, and you can make a high at this zone or this zone. But the accurate listening is make a high at this zone, it's still going to come down. If it makes at this zone, it's still going to come down based on the trend, which is what? Downtrend. So price, I'm expecting price to come to this zone. This pink horizontal line you're seeing here is the monthly resistance and support zone. So you can see, let's go back, let's check the monthly. See I have many. You see that I marked here. This is a zone here. You see price has so the prices are pushing this zone here. Expect price to push, touch here, and then come down. But to come to this zone and gather orders, and then rally down. Rally down for me to take profit 1 and take profit 2. That is the 2 places that I usually focus my attention more. I don't usually go way too big expecting TP3. No, I only focus on TP1 and 2 because those are easy to achieve. So that is all I have for this. Ignore this one, this 0.01. I'm just testing the strategy that I want to develop. So that's all I have for the analysis of the week. I hope you all have a nice day. For all beginners, please, I am please again, do not risk too much. Stop losing money. If you know you don't have a mentor, please get a mentor. And if you know you have a mentor, please listen and understand. As the economy is now, this is not the time for you to be wasting money unnecessarily. You need to be using money for things that you know will impact you. You cannot risk, like for instance, now you take $100 and then you want to trade gold, and then you can easily trade gold to $100 based on the lot size you use. But you cannot use on lot size of like 1 on a $100 account to trade gold. You end up blowing that account in 2 minutes because sometimes trade before it goes in your direction, or it might go in your direction. You need to first of all there will be a drawdown that will make you almost want to, like, your heart to have a heart attack you have a drawdown. Sometimes it's almost going to hit your stop loss before it rallies back, goes back to the initial place it ought to go. So that's why you cannot take a one lot size on a $100 account. You can either use 0.01, which is the best for me. You use 0.01. If the market draws back, drawdown, the account will be able to handle the drawdown that it's going to make. If the stop loss is not that wide, it will handle it before it goes up. And if it even hits your stop loss, you will not lose that much. You will still have enough capital to trade another day. So that's my advice for beginner traders, to avoid you losing all this $100, $50, 150,000. No. You need to get a good mentor, and you need to listen, and you need to try to risk well. Risk management, money management is important in this, to avoid making useless and stupid mistakes. So right now, take care. I wish you all a very good and a beautiful week. Have a nice day, and see you next week. Take care. God bless.